Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background color of your Canva template. I have this document. This is actually just a template, and this template happened to use an image as a background. So if I'm using an image, then I cannot just change the color because it would still be affected by the image. So if you have a template or if you're using a template that is using an image as a background, you want to remove the background image first. Just click on the image and click delete, and after that you will see that the background is now empty. Now we can start adding some background color to it. Click on the background again, click background color, and you will see some pre-selected colors from Canva that you could click and it would be immediately applied to your document. There is also some gradient color if you want to, and you'll see that there's an option to adjust the position of the gradient. There's also an option to change the type of the gradient. But if you want to select your own color, I do recommend to use or pick a color that has been selected by Canva designers. You can find them right here. Let's say I want to use the color purple. I'm going to search that, and you will see these colors have been carefully selected to make sure that they're going to look good on any design. I'm going to select this one, and there we go. We have this nice result. The background color is perfectly fitting with the content, so I'm going to keep it. And that's essentially how you can change the background color of your Canva template.